Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and hit the subscribe button right now so that you will not miss any of my important updates on interview cracking and communication skills tips. So today we are into day 15. I am super excited and I am super thrilled, by the way, by teaching and learning in this journey of pronunciation series. I hope you are enjoying the series too. If yes, please let me know in the comments how is your journey going on. Yeah, pronunciation journey. Are you recording your videos every day or not? You have to record your voice and then you have to record your videos and see the difference how you have changed from day 1 to day 15 today. Yep. Take a challenge, guys, please. This 2025 should be the game changing for you in terms of your communication skills. All right, so that you will accelerate in your career and you can speak English flawlessly with anyone, right? With confidently, by the way. And today we are into day 15. I am super excited to teach you the challenging vowels of oo sound. Challenging vowels of oo and oo sound. Let's see. Grab your notepads and pens. Here we go. Yes, today we are into day 15. The topic is nothing but challenging vowels, oo and oo sounds. How to make the sounds. First, the short vowel we learned, right? So, oo, relaxed and quickly pronounced. Oo, like this. As in book. Repeat after me these words, guys. Book, book, book. Let's move to the next word. Foot, foot, and foot. Yeah, now let's see. Compare that to the long vowel sound that we learned in the earlier. It's nothing but tensed and long held sound, this one. Ooh, like this, right? Food. Repeat after me the words, guys. Food, food, food. Let's see the next word. Blue, blue, blue. Which is your favorite color? Let me know in the comments. By the way, my favorite color is Vibgyor. If you know about Vibgyor, just type that full form. Yeah, I am super excited to see that, by the way. And we should learn now how to pronounce that in a pair. Just compare oo versus oo sounds. Let's learn pair practice now. Pair practice. Look and Luke. Repeat after me, guys. Look and Luke. Look and Luke. The second word is pull and pull. Pull and pull. Pull and pull. And the third word goes to foot and food. Foot and food. Foot and food. Now let's see how can we pronounce them in a sentence. Repeat after me, guys. Don't forget this. She took the book to the pool. She took the book to the pool. So, which words we are pronouncing as fast, quick? This, right? Took and book. And see the difference. It is pool, not pool. Right? It is pool. She took the book to the pool. She's crazy somehow, like me, by the way, I think. Let's see the next sentence. Luke likes to cook good food. Repeat after me, guys. Luke likes to cook good food. Luke likes to cook good food. So we are pronouncing the slow oo, oo, cook and good, and then oo sound for food. Right? I hope you got that and repeated after me. If not, please listen to this video once more and repeat each and every word, and then pair practice, and then do sentence practice. afterwards. Yeah, go to step-by-step manner, guys. First, you have to pronounce the words and then pair them in a oo versus oo sounds and then come to the sentence practice. All right, very good, awesome. Next, third sentence is put your foot in the blue shoe. Put your foot in the blue shoe. So these two are fast sounds like put and foot, right? Blue and shoe. These are oo sounds. I hope you are understanding whatever I'm teaching now, right? So what you're going to do, you have to share this video with your friends who are looking to practice their pronunciation and elevate their command over communication series. Now what you're going to do is share this with your friends and like this video if you got that, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, so that you will not miss any of my important content, guys. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye, take care. Happy learning.